dreams, yeah. In my life, I dream a lot of things in my life. You dream, I dream. They dream, we dream. Cause you
What's up, you guys? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Welcome to another vlog with me, Shamsa. If you're new here, be sure to tap on that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notifications. Don't forget to give the video a like and comment down below. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. Guys, happy 11th day of Ramadan. Today is the 11th day. A week has already passed, y'all. 1 week down. Subhanallah. So guys, today my energy level is a little down. I didn't eat anything good, like something that would like give me more fuel during the day, during sahur time. So I'm feeling it today. I'm feeling it today, but I'm gonna keep going. I'm not gonna let that hold me down. I'm just wiping down the walls in the kids' bedroom because my daughter, she decided to do some artwork on this wall, and I've been trying to like wipe it down with some cleaning solutions, and it hasn't been coming off. So I went to I saw a lady here on YouTube that does cleaning videos, and she always uses this product, Zip, whatever it's called. And she uses this one, the foaming wall cleaner, to clean her walls. So I want to give that a try. I bought this from Lowe's. I also picked up a stainless steel cleaner because my other one ran out, so I want to give this one a try. And also, y'all, yesterday, why is this one leaking? Go wash your hands. Go wash your hands, baby. I'm gonna wash your hands, wait. So yesterday I bought a Zip shower tub tile cleaner. It's a mildew cleaner. I have it in my other bathroom, but I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. And I wanted to give that a try because I was tired, y'all. I was tired of scrubbing my master bathroom walk-in shower because it's just, y'all, there was mold, there was hard water stain. I tried almost everything to get rid of it, and it wasn't going away. Y'all, when I bought that yesterday and I sprayed it and left it there for like a good 8 to 10 minutes. It said to just leave it for a minute. I was like, I'm gonna see how this works and just leave it there, forget about it. I left it for 8 to 10 minutes. I came back, y'all. I didn't even have to scrub. Y'all, I didn't even have to scrub. The walls are brand new. Like that shower didn't look clean when we moved in. It looks like brand new now. Like when we first moved in, it wasn't as clean as it is right now. So I was impressed, and I was like, let me go get the other products because they're not that expensive. I bought the other one, the Zip shower tile and grout cleaner, mildew, something like that. I'm gonna show it to y'all in a minute. I bought that one from Home Depot. So they didn't have this at Home Depot. So I looked up on Lowe's and they had it. So I ordered it through Lowe's. I went through curbside and picked it up today. I got this one, the wall cleaner, and I got the stainless cleaner. So I'm gonna try the wall cleaner. I'm gonna spray it and leave it for a minute. But I'm gonna show you guys the other one that I'm talking about, and I'm also gonna show you guys how the shower looks, because I'm pretty sure some of y'all, if you have been here for a long time, have seen my videos where I do like deep cleaning and stuff, and I'm always complaining about that shower. Well, I'm gonna show you guys what it is, what I'm talking about. Like, you guys will be so impressed. So guys, this is the shower. Y'all, this area used to be so like covered with mold and hard water stain, and I couldn't get rid of it. But y'all, after using this, I'm gonna have to spray it again, like, because this was like really tough to get rid of, but I'm gonna spray it. But y'all, this is 10 times better than it used to be. Like, this is a big change. a big change, and I was impressed with this product. This is the one, mold stain and mildew stain remover. So you just spray it. It says it's bleach. You just spray it, leave it for a good, it says wait 1 minute, but I waited for up to almost 10 minutes. And when I came back, y'all, I didn't even have to scrub. That's how impressed I was. So for today, I'm going to wipe down that wall in my kids' bedroom, sweep the floor, and I'm also going to clean the hallway bathroom. Like, I cleaned my master bathroom yesterday. Today I'm going to focus on cleaning the hallway bathroom. We are potty training my toddler, and send help, y'all. I forgot how to potty train, and this girl don't want to let go of diapers. I tried just giving her the pull-ups, and every time she won't tell me she needs to go. So we're trying the regular underwears, and we had 2 accidents already. So send help. So this is where she colored with crayon. I try to get rid of it many times, it won't come off. And then she wrote here a pencil and some crayons and stuff. So over here a pen. I'm gonna try to clean that up and see if it works on it. Okay, so let's see. Okay, the marker is not, crayon or whatever it is not coming off. It did took up the pencil. Okay, this is not coming off. Okay, now there's more stains that are showing up. Maybe I have to leave it for a bit longer, I think. Let me just spray it again and leave it on for a little bit. Okay. Okay, this one came off. That's good. Let's see over here. Oh, and this one came off easily. The crayon is not coming off. Okay, I'm gonna wait for the crayon. Let's see. I'm gonna give it some more time. But that came off. That was easy. So the marks that were on here, it came off. There was a crayon mark over here. It came off, and here. I'm just waiting on this. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit and see how it goes. But yeah, everything else came off easily. So I was able to get rid of like the obvious mark. You could see, if you look really closely, you could see the crayon stain over here, but everything else is gone. Like, you have to look like really close in order to see it, but if you're far away, you can't even tell. So it's so much better than it was. I'm noticing that it gets rid of like other stains, but not crayons. But yeah, looks much better. And over here, this is a hand mark right here. I sprayed it, but it wouldn't come off, and I don't know, I think it's one of those things that it does not remove. Over here was it like a crayon. She drew a crayon on here. It got rid of it. So, but you have to look like very close to see the mark. So much better. I'm gonna move on to the bathroom. So this is our hallway bathroom. Why did I put this in here? This does not even belong here. Anyways, the shower, the tub, it all needs to be scrubbed down, and I'm gonna clean this too. It's moldy, starting to, well, it's moldy, so I'm gonna clean that. I'm gonna take all this stuff out of here, spray this one down. I'm gonna use the tile and the mildew one to spray over here because I like how it cleaned yesterday, so I'm gonna give it a try in here too, so it can get rid of that mold stain over there. I'm going to hand wash this too. It's dirty, so I'm gonna get it cleaned up. Today is sunny, so I'm just gonna let it dry outside while I get everything else cleaned up. Whew, my arms are tired. These does say bleach, so
they call me Rhamzan.
quickly clean up the kitchen. A 360 view. I'm gonna put away the cups first. Alright guys, I'm out of breath. It is 6:46 p.m. right now, so it's almost time for iftar. Today our iftar just consists of leftovers and bread. We got so much bread, so I'm just gonna make some tea, and then for our main course we're going to have pasta. Pasta with minced meat, so that's it. Since the kids are on spring break, they're at home, yes, for a whole week. We're gonna go to the masjid, and we're not going to break our fast there. We're gonna eat food at home, take shower, get ready, and then go there to pray taraweh. And hopefully, inshallah, we'll get more than 8 rak'ahs done. Hopefully, if everyone cooperates. So yeah, we're gonna see. They don't have no school, and I don't got no work, so we're gonna see what we can do. And I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And please don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section, and that helps a lot too. Thank you so much for your support. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I hope that you have a wonderful Ramadan. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my other video. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.